Well, hi there, everybody, and good Wednesday morning to you. A lot to talk about in weather, so I'm just going to get down to business. First off, yesterday, beautiful. 60s, even lower 70s. Today, it's still going to be fairly mild, but it is a chillier start to the day as we see increasing clouds, eventually becoming mostly cloudy. Again, mild. Temperatures are going to push into the upper 50s and lower 60s, which is still way above average for this time of the year. Winds strong again, but not as bad as what we had out there yesterday. South and southwest winds 15 to 30 miles per hour. First off, I want to point out southeastern Nebraska. Notice a little bit of that thunder shower activity trying to pop up in northeast Kansas. There could be some isolated thunder showers in southeastern portions of the viewing area, kind of brushing the southeast there around the Beatrice area, maybe as far west as Beloit and Fairbury, Lincoln maybe. Again, should be fairly isolated as we head into the late afternoon, or the evening hours, I should say, just here in a couple of minutes. But our main focus will turn to the west. So again, there's that precipitation. For most of us, though, the big concern, cold front coming through as we head into the evening and overnight hours. Here's midnight tonight. Again, starting to see that colder air come in, developing precipitation out west. Mainly snow, could mix with some rain early on, but it will be mainly a snow event. And then moving into the 4 o'clock hour in the morning, starting to move into central Nebraska. So that's when the precipitation really starts to get going around the Tri-Cities area. We'll continue into tomorrow morning. Here's 8 o'clock in the morning. That's a prime time for driving to work, 7, 8 o'clock. People are going to be out and about in heavy snow and a lot of wind, so that's going to be a big problem for central eastern Nebraska, northern Kansas, starting to clear out towards the west. This will continue through the morning hours, kind of clearing out before noon in central Nebraska, north central Kansas, but still remaining in the eastern part of the viewing area. Otherwise, just kind of a cool and windy one out there. And again, keep in mind, this snow's going to be blowing around, so there's going to be some poor visibilities. By tomorrow afternoon, we try to get the sun to come out, but it will be a noticeably cooler day, and those winds are still going to be howling out of the northwest, a good 25 to 35 miles per hour, gusting to 45 miles per hour. Now, you look off to our east in Iowa, they have blizzard watches and warnings in the green and red shaded areas. We're going to be close to blizzard criteria. I'd say near blizzard conditions at times, but winter weather advisories are out. So again, take it seriously, even though it's kind of a lower end event when it comes to the advisories that get issued out. Winter weather advisory can still mean big business, and that's going to be an issue out there. So winter weather advisory starting tonight, this evening out in western Nebraska, late tonight, 1 o'clock in the morning, in fact, for central Nebraska, north central Kansas, and going through the early to mid-morning hours and possibly longer. We'll have to see if that gets extended. Eventually, I think some kind of advisory will get issued in eastern Nebraska, likely a winter weather advisory. It's not a lot of snow, but heavy blowing snow. It's going to fall heavy at times, and those strong winds are going to cause problems. Again, you don't see a lot of snow there. We're looking at generally 1 to 3 inches of snowfall before it's all said and done, but again, it's going to cause some problems with reduced visibilities, especially out in rural areas. So enjoy the weather today. Again, a bit blustery, but temperatures in the upper 50s to around 60 across the north, low to mid 60s back towards the west, upper or lower 60s in the south, and we'll go with upper 50s and lower 60s to the east. So again, the brunt of the snow for the entire viewing area falls between midnight tonight and noon tomorrow. And then we'll start to clear out tomorrow afternoon. Again, about 20 degrees cooler for tomorrow. We're back up to around 50 on Friday. Another fairly windy day, but a nicer day for Friday. Then more cool air starts to come in for the weekend into early next week, as we're talking about 30s and even 20s at times. Next chance of snow comes in over the weekend with the best chance Sunday night into Monday, and maybe in more of an active weather pattern coming in as we enter the month of March. So that is your forecast. I'll continue to update on social media, Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus for updates throughout the day today. And of course, tune in to Tim tonight at News 5 at 5, 6, and 10 for more updates as well. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Have a good day.